Money pass, but I get splashed too hydrated. Out south, no spook town, eyes dilated. I got the money in the pound, old gyrated. I feel good, get the out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. I walk in, walk out with the size. Man, don't let me know what the price. What the? I got hits, I got bucks, I got new paper cuts, I got friends, I got foes, but they all sitting ducks. Hit his turf, figure crack it, double back like a deluxe. 50 deep, but it ain't deep enough. Complete thing, go beat him up. From the front, money tree, and it glow throughout the lunch. Spit a movie at the camera, speed it off, yeah, it's us. I feel good, get the out my thighs. Look good, but she don't got no ties. I walk in, walk out with the size. Man, don't let me know what the price. Squabble up, 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 squabble up. Hold up, where you from? I'm finna go down, sideways, monster, Viva, I'm a one. Baby, rockin' it. Queen pro, what you want, cause I'm watching it. Roll on the floor, let me know if you clockin' it. Roll won't go, but I know that he poppin' it. His wolf tickets on sale till I silence it. Pipe down, wanna get some whole other politics. Went on with some dinner, that's another. Don't hit on you, kids with my apologies. You know, child, he was Becky Mouse with the smear enough. He high, we outside, but they like to kill him off. So blast, it's a fact, it's a burger off. Tell me what you rap if it's fictional. Tell me what you fed if you criminal. Ain't that, can I get a drop? No, like, no. It's old cool from the west side to Senegal. It's a full moon at the woods out of Benadryl.
And it's absolutely joy, and we're so glad. Hello, Daphne. Hello. So I see in this category we have two pieces from Kalver Kasvan, and then one piece Kalver with Kelly, and one piece Kalver with Rosanne. So we Kalver first of all is very productive in the choreography wise. But with Kalver and Rosanne's cooperation, did they separate the places they did choreography, or they did it together, or how was their cooperation built up?
I think their cooperation was built together because when we started this choreography, then both of them had their own ideas, but then we combined them together and then it became this piece. But one time I was, before training, I had heard when Kalver and Rosanne looked over one part in the choreography, and they both put their mind to it, so we did this together.
So it's a nice cooperation. What is in the piece you see that it's Kalver's, like his part or his special effect, and Rosanne's, what do they bring to you?
I think the swagginess or like the chill is more to fun, but also the choreography part where it's like more powerful and more like power moves, then that's Kalver's.
Okay, so swagginess from Rosanne and clean choreography and powerful for Kalver seems like a nice recipe for cool dance. But let's see, stage presence, how truthful, how believable you were. 6 points, nice points, but way to go more believing, and 7 for visual image. So,